If you're doing Instagram research for work, like competitor analysis, hashtag audits, creator discovery, this video shows you how to pull live Instagram data directly into Claude using plain English. No spreadsheets, no copy pasting, no switching between tabs. This is Smashion's marketing data and context for Claude connector, and setup takes about 2 minutes. You need two things: a Claude Pro or Team plan, because custom connectors require one of those, and a free Smashion account. No Google Ads account, no API keys, no credit card to get started. Smashion handles the Google connection on the backend. You need to create an account, it takes under 2 minutes. Once you're in, you'll land on the Smashion's dashboard. You will see your credit balance here. Every free account starts with 30 credits per month automatically. Find your MCP connector URL in the dashboard. It will look like this. Copy it. You will need it in the next step. Go to Claude AI. Go and open settings. Navigate to connectors. Then click Add Custom Connector. In the name field, type Smashion. In the remote MCP server URL field, paste the URL you just copied from your dashboard and click Add. Claude will redirect you to a Smashion sign-in screen. Enter your Smashion email ID and password, then authorize the connection. Once that's done, the connector will show as active in the settings panel. That's it, the setup is complete. One thing worth noting here: once you connect through Claude AI, the connector also works automatically in Claude Desktop and Claude Core. You don't need to repeat this process. Open a new conversation in Claude and run a quick check before pulling any Instagram data. Check my Smashion credit balance. Claude will return the current balance and plan details. That tool call is completely free. If the balance shows up, the connection is live and everything is ready to go. This is why the workflow changes. There's no need to remember tool names or format requests in any special way. Just describe what's needed in plain English. For example, we're going to do a competitor content analysis. Give a prompt, says extract the last 20 posts from Adidas and tell me what content themes are driving the most engagement. Which formats, reels, carousel, static images, are performing best. Claude pulls the post with captions, likes, comment counts, and timestamps, then surfaces the pattern. From there, follow-up questions can be asked in the same conversation. Most used hooks, breakdown by day of the week, comparison between two competitors, it all stays in one thread. You can also look for hashtag research, your own brand audit. The connector works for your own profiles too, not just competitor research. That's the full setup. Few steps to connect and Instagram research becomes a conversation. Link to get started is in the description. 30 free credits and no card required. If there are any questions, drop them in the comments. Thank you.